In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook wallpaper on your profile using your phone. The wallpaper on Facebook is your cover photo, which appears at the top of your profile and helps personalize your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture to go to your profile page. At the top of your profile, you will see your current cover photo. Tap on the camera icon located on the cover photo area. A menu will appear with several options. From here, tap on Select Photo if you want to choose an image from your phone, or tap Upload Photo depending on the option you see. Your phone's gallery will open and show your photos. Browse through your gallery and tap on the picture you want to use as your new wallpaper. After selecting the image, you can adjust its position by dragging it to fit properly in the cover area. Once you are happy with how it looks, tap Save or Save Changes to apply the new cover photo. Your Facebook wallpaper will now be updated and visible on your profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials.